Looking for a safe, trustworthy, and reasonable daycare service for children is a challenging task for every single mother. Balancing work and managing children can be daunting for single moms, hence there is need for secure daycare assistance within the monetary reach of mothers. Thus, government and non-profit or private organizations acknowledge our need, and so several childcare programs have been initiated for parents with varying income levels and requirements. Do not compromise on the needs of your child. Your responsibilities are growing career. With plethora of childcare facilities in every state, city or locality, you can now be assured about the appropriate care of your child. Just look for the right daycare grants for single mothers and set off to your work, leaving your child in assured hands. Childcare grants to apply for: Childcare and Development Block Grant, CCDBG. CCDBG, initiated in 1990, provides state funds to economically challenged families for daycare programs. Families with 85% of state median income level receive child health and safety funds and reimbursement rates for daycare programs. In 2014, President Obama, stressing on childcare needs, commenced a law where the CCDBG will train caregivers for enriched quality of care for children, ensure comprehensive inspection and scrutiny of background of staff members, and the facilities offered reward subsidies to working parents for childcare Head Start. It is a federal program that funds low-income families newly born to 5 years old children for their education, nutrition, health, and other social services. Families earning below 130% of the federal poverty level are homeless. Foster care children or kids availing TANF or SSI are eligible for Head Start. Local Department of Health and Human Services. Directed by the state governments, HHS assists single mothers to explore varied grant programs for daycare funding or look for reasonably priced daycare in their locality. Temporary Assistance for Needy Families TANF. Initiated on 1 July 1997, TANF awards grant funds to territories and states for monetary assistance to needy families with children. There are certain eligibility criteria such as the applicant must be a US citizen, must have very low income, or should be underemployed or unemployed, and must be pregnant or have the liability of a child below 19 years. Aiming to offer family self-sufficiency, the program accomplishes the four purposes: promoting for two-parent families, promote for work, job and marriage to lessen dependency of low-income families, offer the required support to financially challenged families to be cared at their residence, discourage out-of-marriage pregnancies. State assistance. States offer daycare assistance programs, encouraging single mothers or eligible families to support for childcare. Applicants requiring childcare for working, attending school, receiving training may apply for the program, where the state partially pays for the cost and the rest is paid by the aspirants. To qualify, candidates must be US citizens and have income less than the set level by the state. Other childcare assistance programs, single mothers can apply. Dependent Care Flexible Spending Account. FSA offers the opportunity to utilize pre-tax dollars, the maximum limit being $000 to cover expenses for preschool, after-school care or daycare. The taxable income is lessened on account of being pre-tax. Child and Dependent Care Credit. It is a federal tax credit that funds 35% of the expenses that is evaluated on the gross income. Dependent Care Assistance Program. For affordable daycare benefits to children of 13 years of age or less, the program lets mothers save a part of their income to bear the expenses. Besides these, single mothers also have several other options at their disposal. Subsidized daycares, tax incentives, college and church daycares, state and local child support authorities, Child Care Aware of America and child support agencies are additional assistance programs for daycare. Benefits. Single mothers or poor families can apply for these grants and programs for child support aid.